this is the beginning of my actual hiking and scrambling trip. I am currently in Nordegg, and if you look right behind me, I actually stayed at this hotel about 13 years ago when I was working, and I remember I got so drunk, and I somehow ended up in these places over here, and ended up having to like run out and then get my ride to go to work. But yeah, it's crazy to be back here. What an interesting memory I have. I finally arrived at my campsite. I'm gonna be staying in the Crescent Falls provincial area at the Crescent Falls Campground. I already got my spot, went back to town, got some wood. I'm ready to go. Here's just a lookout. Just beautiful, eh? But I'll show you my site, so let's go. Gonna have to cross this little creek here in my car. I remember. Good to go, good to go. Guys, as you can see behind me, I ended up finding a spot. It looks like it's really close to the river, so I'm gonna go take a walk and check it out. Yeah, all camping's pretty slim pickings right now, but I managed to find a decent spot, so I'm very happy about that. But yeah, let's go for a little walk. Literally like a 2-minute walk, and we are down by the river. This camping spot is sweet. I'm glad I got it. It's just so beautiful, and if you look out that way, tonight with no light pollution, I should be able to get some wicked nighttime photography of that mountain in the background and maybe the stars. We'll see what we can get out of it. And yeah, this place is awesome.